Hi, it's Chris here again for Sound Lab. I'm coming to visit our dealer who's in Virginia, in Afton in the Blue Mountains. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. If you come here, actually you'll be able to spend a night if you'd like in this wonderful bed and breakfast here. Across the way is a beautiful, recently planted vineyard, and I'm going to walk over to the house. The house is there in the distance on the hill. Here we go. Down, and now I'm walking up the entrance. The sounds of nature all around. This is deep Virginia country. Man, is it ever beautiful. Okay, coming up to the top of the hill here. Mark moved out here from, I believe, New Jersey about a year ago, and he previously had this house built. It's his home and also serves as a dedicated listening room and showroom. That's the beautiful vineyard in the distance. And around here is the home of Mark, housing some wonderfully sounding sound labs. Let's go inside. I'm just going to give it a knock.
Hey, good morning, Chris.
Morning, Mark. Nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
Okay. So I'm walking into Mark's home and sound room. Let's go inside. Well, and over here we have his analog front end that we're gonna have a quick sample. There's the Atma-sphere MP3, and we have the Atma-sphere MA-1s. I believe those are 140 watts per channel. Oh, I should mention also those are the Sally backwave sound absorbers that work really wonderfully well. I think some of my other posts have shown how they work. If you don't know, or if you have questions about how the sound converges to a virtual point behind the speaker of Sound Lab, please ask me, because it's important. Okay, so let's have a listen. That's where we're going to sit.